Welcome everybody, back with another video. Today we'll be going into the actual numbers I have made year to date for my dumpster rental business. So let's get straight into it right here. So I use Wix for my website and my sales. As you can see here, total sales, not completely accurate. I just added 2 more sales earlier this year that were checks that I didn't upload to my POS here. So this is actually right around $6,000 in sales. As you can see down here, my first sale, I did a test on May 20th, 2023. So quick math today, it's about 6 months. I mean, I know that's not a lot of money to some people, but I mean, it's just, I think about it as I created something and that's $6,000 I didn't have in the first place. So pretty amazing. Super happy with the success so far. So let's break down how much money you could potentially make with one dumpster. So I played with it. Let's go back here real quick. I played with the numbers a little bit. My price at the beginning was as high as $524, and I kept researching competitors, but now I kind of solidified at $399. But so yeah, we have $399. So, and then I have one dumpster trailer so far. So this is what I have. It's a 7 cubic yard, 10 feet long, 5 by 5 foot wide by 4 foot tall. Nothing crazy big. So this thing full to the top is $262 at my dump. So we got our sale price of $399 minus the $262. Well, leaves you $137. And then Wix right now, if they do point of sale with a card reader, it is a 2.6% fee. So we do the $399 times the 0.026, so that's around $10. So we got our $137 minus the $10, we got $127. So we got gas too. We got a couple other fees, that are monthly low expenses that you got to take out too technically. But yeah, you got to think, it's not a lot of money, but you really get a break too when they don't fill your dumpster up all the way. Maybe they do a half, and then you get now the dump fees. Let's say you only fill it up halfway, so you have 3.5-ish cubic yards. So it's about 131 if I'm correct. So then there's your profit, 260. That's a lot better. But and then it's kind of a scale business too. When you got let's just say 5 dumpsters, times the 127, you got 635, and that's that's one rental a day too, and then times that by 4 for a month, bada bing bada boom, $2,500 a month. So that's profit too. We're not even talking sales. We're talking sales here. 5 times $399, that's $2,000 for 1 week. But yeah, just a quick little video, again, showing my numbers. I made right around 6,000 year to date, with a total transactions of 19, because I had those 2 others over here. I had the $699. So, that's kind of the thing, the more dumpsters I'll get, the more money I'll make, if they get rented out, of course. But I wanted to show you the real life scenario, what you can make with your own dumpster rental business. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.